paddle is not fun. So please don't use the paddles to push off. It's the Glen Morris picnic area. Beautiful, beautiful spot. There's picnic area.
So hi guys, nandito kami ngayon. Yo Fred, where is this? Where is this place?
Brantford.
Brantford, like what specific? I'm vlogging right now.
Grand River rafting.
Grand River? Grand River what?
Rafting.
There we go. Kasama ko pala ngayon si Kyle Castro, and then si Fred Filarca. You know what I'm saying? We're going for what? Yo, what are we doing? What are we doing, Brody?
We're doing kayaking.
Yes, sir. So how long have you been driving going here?
What, is it an hour?
Yeah.
An hour.
An hour and a half, right? Yo, Fred? How long have you drive here?
1 hour.
1 hour, really? I saw you 40 minutes. Yeah. So as you can see guys, maraming tao dito. You know what I'm saying? And pupunta tayo sa pinakadulo, di ba? Ng lake. We're going at the very end of the lake and then going back here. So it's what is that? 10.5 kilometers?
Well, 11,
Yeah. Let's say 11. You know what I'm saying? And then we got life jacket and shit. We got the what is this called?
Battle, bro.
Huh?
Battle.
A where?
Battle.
A paddle. Yes, sir. And we're going there. We don't know how far we're going there, but we're just enjoying the ride. You know what I'm saying? We're looking forward to it. So you guys gonna enjoy it, and we're gonna enjoy it. Yes, sir. Yo, how you feel? What do you feel, man? Tell me, bro.
Bro, I'm excited, bro.
What?
I'm excited with that shit, bro.
Yes, sir. Hey, Fred, how you feel right now?
I feel good, man. I'm excited.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, these two boys right here, they already been doing this, and this is my first time. I thought you've been doing this.
Yeah, on not like 11 kilometers, bro.
Oh shit, yeah, fucking 11 kilometers. How 11 kilometers? How long is that?
Huh? 11 kilometers?
No, how many hours? My bad.
3 to 5.
3 to
I
5.
said 3 to 5.
3 to 5. Depends of how fast we're going. You know what I'm saying?
I think we're gonna be slow.
Yes, sir. We're just gonna go slow, you know. We're just gonna chill. So as you can see, guys, countryside yan dito. And mamaya na lang, you know, pag nandun na kami. You already know. Yes, sir. So guys, kung nakikita nyo, nasa kagubatan na tayo, guys. Napaka-stiff ng dinadaanan namin. Ay no, yun doon yung lake dun no, sa gilid. Yes, sir. Yeah. Tamang chill lang si Carl. You already know. Chill lang. Ano, Fred? Okay ka lang, Fred? Yes, sir. Yun, no. So guys, kung tatanungin nyo anong sinasakyan namin, school bus. School bus yung sinasakyan namin. Para lang kaming estudyante dito, you know. Yeah. Oh, nandito na tayo, guys.
Yung sa atin yung maliliit.
Hindi na tayo sa base camp. Yeah, let's go, rarara. Baba na tayo.
Hindi yung ganito.
Backing muna si Kuya. Kita niyo yan, guys, yung base camp namin. Diyan talaga kami gigera mamaya eh. Kita mo yan? Hindi yan, ano nga tawag dito?
Life vest.
A life vest. Bullet vest talaga to, guys. Gigera talaga. Ayan na, guys. Rarara.
Yaman sila muna.
Yan, oh. So, nakikita nyo guys, nandito na tayo sa school. Yes, sir. Training camp. Training camp. Ayan. Wait lang natin bumaba sila. Oh, ladies first. Yeah, guys.
We're gonna let you guys go. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nandito na tayo. Thank you, boss.
You're welcome.
You too. Yes, sir. Nandito na tayo. Ano masabi niyo, nandito na tayo?
Tapos na yan, boy. 5 hours na yan. Tapos na yan.
Yun na yun. Yun na yun, guys. Paalam. Ayan, guys. Kita niyo yan. Batch. Ano to? Batch 20, August 3.
August 3.
Ito yung batch August 3, guys. Nakikita niyo.
Batch number.
Yes, sir. So, waiting lang tayo sa pila. You know what I'm saying? And then, yung nakuha pala ni Fred na bangka, yung barko ni Noah. Ipapadil niya yung barko ni Noah. That's crazy.
Nagkara sa boss.
Yan, waiting lang tayo, guys. Yes, sir. So, guys, assemble ko lang to.
Like 4 hours? Yeah, I'll be the last.
And guys, kung nanonotice nyo kung ano yung mali sa amin, nakasapatos kami. Hindi namin alam na magchichinelas dapat kasi mababasa talaga. Pero paano yung ano eh? Yeah, but recommended
Kapag
is
nahulog ka sa
slipper bow na
matignan mo, naka Air Forces.
naka Air Force. Isipin nyo guys, ganun kayaman si Carl. You know? Pinangkakayak niya yung Air Forces. Yes, sir. So guys, kung nakikita nyo yan, sana yun yung makuha namin yung itim. Tsaka green. Na may red na ano. Parang may storage kasi sa likod eh, ano. Malalagay man lang namin yung sapatos namin tsaka medyas. Like mini storage lang and then we're ready to go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tanyan guys, full attire. That may paddle ka, life jacket, and then kayak. And yeah, it's actually a nice place in here. Makikita nyo. Nag-i-enjoy talaga kami ngayon. Good time. Yes, sir. You already know. Yes, sir. Pure nature talaga. You know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Life is good. You can't complain. Whatever it is, you can't complain. Guys, sasakay na tayo. Lagyan muna natin yung stories. This blast ball, we have stories and shit.
I would. Yeah, I'd put your shoes back there, but I keep your water up front.
Gotcha.
Can you stick him in here? What did it put these down on? Do you care if they get a little wet back there? Yeah, it's a little wet in here.
It's gonna get wet?
It could get wet back there.
Really? I guess we gotta take that risk, no?
Just to cruise it, you kind of gotta lift the sides. Need any help? Just let me know. I don't think you guys will be taking off.
One sec, guys. Lagay mo natin yung cellphone natin. Alright! Let's go, Fred! Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yan na nga, guys. Nakikita nyo na. Wait lang. Paddle muna natin ng ayos, ah. Saan yung mic ko? Putang ina. Gago, lumulutang na talaga tayo. Fucking hell. See this? Yes, sir. We Gucci. Tignan guys. This is what we want. Where's my mic at? Oh shit. Tingnan nyo guys, nag-i-enjoy na yung dalawa dun, no? Ako sineset ko pa rin yung ano ko. Yes, sir! Mababa lang pala yung tubig, guys. Hanggang tuhod lang kalalim. You know? Kaya lang, guys. And then, sakto pa, may mini storage sa likod ko. Kaya, nalagay namin ng maayos yung ano namin, yung sapatos namin para hindi mabasa. Yeah, well recommended pag magkaya kayo. You guys gotta bring slippers. Kaya magpaan na lang kayo, you know. Pero okay din naman kahit magsapatos kayo kasi may mini storage. Kung kukunin nyo tong gantong klaseng bangka. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, you guys are stuck? What the heck are you guys doing? Damn, it's a fucking running water. Why did I go here? Use your paddle, bro. Push it. Like this. Tangina, may running water, guys. Fuck. Woo! Push it, bro. Kalo stuck. What the fuck? Yes, sir. Running water tayo, guys. Ayan, oh. Babanggain ko si Fred. Yo, Fred, move that shit out. Yo, push it like this. Damn! So, kita nyo yun, guys. May struggle konti. Mabato! Pero we good. Hopefully we good. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. So, hindi ko nakikita kung sa magandang... Kita mo ka? Gonna push that shit. Yan yung way ka. Yo! What the heck? Y'all for real right now? Ah! Ah! He said he's just gonna walk. You know what? Let's go fucking walk. Ah! We should go on this side, bro. Yan, dito guys. Dapat sa malalim konti tayo pupunta. Kasi pag sa mababaw, stuck tayo. Alright, we Gucci. Punta tayo dun sa malalim. There you go, sa mabato-bato. Woo! Yes, sir! Yun. Nakikita nyo na yung harapan ko. Yes, sir! Habol tayo dun kila Fred. Tsaka Kyle. Pipicture na sila dun. Tamang chill lang. Yan na si Fred. Nahabol na natin si Fred. Frederico! Frederico 43! Yo, Fred, say hi to the vlog. Yes, sir! Look at Carl, bro! He's going there! Mabato? Is it rocky again? Oh, ito na guys. Running water again. Sana hindi mabato. You already know. Woo! Yes, sir. Go with the flow lang tayo. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-paddle kasi running water. You know. Sabay lang tayo sa agos. Yo, Ka! Say hi to the vlog, Ka! This guy chilling. Chilling like a villain. Yes, sir! Dahil sa'yo naramdaman ang tunay na pagmamahal. Iibigin kita kahit agay sino ka man. Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng puso na siyang magbibigay ng saya at tamis at lambing sa buhay ko. Oh, ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng... Tama ba yung lyrics, guys? Hindi ko alam. Pero kanta yun ni Willie Revillame. Hindi man siya magaling kumanta. He's not the greatest, but that motherfucker is a billionaire. You already know. Tamang manifest lang. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. See, guys? Kanina nahuli tayo. Ngayon, nahabol na natin sila. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tuon naman natin dito. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yo! You go, bro. What you doing? Uli ka. Yo! Kayo ka. Kayo ka. You good, bro?
Yo, are you good?
Yo, tanggalin mo muna yung tanggalin mo muna yung tubig sa loob.
Yo,
Hindi na kami makakabalik dyan against the water na eh. Yo.
do you still have your shit with you? I have my phone with me.
Is it wet? Is it wet?
What do you think?
Damn. Let's go, Ka. You got it, Ka.
Put his feet all over the fucking
You jump on that shit.
Yo, good thing you brought fucking extra clothes, bro. He's actually cool. I think that
Nah, he
just ruined the
good.
whole trip for him, bro.
He good, he good.
Bro, you good?
Balikan natin siya. Guys, stop over muna kami. Dito. You know. Binuhos muna ni Carl lahat ng tubig sa loob ng ano niya, ng bangka niya. Yung nakita niyo guys, lumot. Yeah.
Yeah, it hurts.
You already know.
Yo.
Carl is back. Carl is back in stock. Bro! What is going on? You good, ka? Yo, stand up, bro. You gotta pull it.
My fucking feet.
Look at this, guys. You know, yes, sir.
Wet as fuck, bro. I turned around, bro. Yo, you know what happened?
Yes, sir.
He put his leg up and then he fucking took over. Yeah, don't do that shit, yo. Don't do that shit.
There you go. Tara, guys. Back in the journey again. Yun yung mga isang struggle, pero after nito tuloy-tuloy na. You already know. Yes, sir. So yun, guys, kita niya yan. Stop over muna tayo. Kayak, di ba tawag dito? Di ba? Ka? Yo, Fred, is this a kayak, right? Yeah. So, kayak check. Ito yung uupuan nyo guys. Malambot naman siya. Tapos lalagay nyo yung paa nyo dyan sa loob. You know what I'm saying? Tapos dyan ko nilalagay yung camera ko. And then yun yung storage natin. So, be good. I'm just waiting for y'all. Then yeah, we're moving. That's good though. You taste the nature. That's all we want. That's all you.
The whole fucking head was gonna go in, bro.
Fucking hell. Yan.
So funny, bro.
Yeah. You're gonna see it on YouTube for sure. That's the highlight.
Hey, you brought a towel at least.
Shit.
Yo, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. No, pull it back. Damn, it fucking hurts. On your feet. Ah!
You hurt there?
Yeah. Kaya kita niyo yung ano, yung parang may running water. It's probably is a rock, so you don't go over there. You go where the water is clear. So, guys, sakay na tayo. Ang nakita nyo guys, di ba? Hindi naman hanggang tuhod yung tubig. Hanggang ano lang. Hindi masyadong malalim. So, be good. Then you gotta balance yourself para hindi ka bumaliktad. And then yeah.
Yo, what's your phone though, eh?
It's good.
Yo, look at his phone, bro.
It's good. It's locked and loaded. It's locked and loaded.
Yo, good thing you had your phone inside your pocket, eh? Yeah.
Ah, fuck. Dito papunta yung ano guys, yung tubig eh. So just gotta shake a little bit. Oh fuck. You gotta go. Oh shit. Sakit sa paa. So balance your shit. And then, kalma. Then yun. Start throwing na tayo backwards. Oh my days. Let's go. Solid na row. Solid na row. Yes sir. So yun guys. Nandito na tayo sa ilalim ng tulay. Yes sir. Running water ulit. Yo, relax. You're not gonna fall twice again. Running water. Ito yung gusto natin guys. Yes sir. Ayan na. Ayan na. Woo! Woohoo! Yes, sir. Ganda pag running water, eh, no? Hindi ka napapadel. Tamang ano lang. Tamang ride lang. Ready, Daddy's home! Boom! We're coming together!
Yo!
Hold on. No, it's facing that way. Hold on. Hold.
Let's flip each other, bro.
Hold it. Yo, call this guy, bro. Yo, hold on. Let's go together. One sec. Homie, hold up. Alright, let's go. Hold on my kayak. Come here. Yo, come. Yo, I'm going now. What the hell? I can't stop it now. I can't stop it no more. Fuck. Okay. Ah! Alright, Fred, let's go, Fred. Hold on, Fred. I'm coming. Let's go. Just hold it. No, I'm not. No, we're going. No, we're just going. No, we just go with the flow.
We're still in the fucking...
Nah, it's not gonna go anywhere. Hold up. Yo, my watch is wet now. Is it? It's not gonna break, right?
Turn around first.
There you go. Why, you don't want to swim?
Nah, bro. I got my wallet and shit.
Oh yeah, I got my shit too. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa, di ka na muling manghangamba, humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko. Oh! Kung ako na lang sana. Agay! Ah! 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 Buti yan ako! Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa, di ka na muling mangamba, humanap ng iba. Yes, sir! Narito ang puso ko. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Huh? Yo, miss. Oh, shit. 360. 360. 360. Country road, take me home. Dude, oh shit. Oh. Ah. I belong. West Virginia. Come on, mama. Take me home. Oh! Yes, sir. I'm young, black. What is that thing again? Oh shit. Hawak talaga ako, babalik. Babalik talaga ako sa iyo, hawak ako sa iyo. Oh shit. Woo! Woo! Oh yo, we gotta hold, eh? We gotta hold together. You see there's a running water over there?
No, we're not.
Bro, we're not gonna let go. Bro.
Yo, we're gonna flip over. Bro.
No, we're
Yo,
not.
it's your phone, bro.
No, my phone is good.
No, no,
I'm
what are you
shaking.
doing, bro?
So we're moving.
Let me see the map, bro. Yo.
Yeah, we're moving. Shake it over there, bro. We're moving.
This is a workout, bro. It's a rowing exercise. Yo, Elon Musk, bro. Elon Musk, bro. You
Yeah. Right. There you go.
Yeah, what do you call a black?
What?
Black guy driving a bus.
A bus driver. What the heck?
Bus driver, you fucking racist.
A bus driver. Because he's driving a bus, right? Then he's a bus driver.
Yo, like, I'm actually scared. If you keep doing this shit, look at his phone, bro.
Ooh,
That's not stable. Like, if you keep hitting your phone,
it's good. Look. It's good. See?
Yo, chill. Don't even touch it.
See? I'm
Is that a
testing.
rock? Yeah, that's a rock. This guy might say, let go. What if I'm trying to pee, bro?
You gotta go down. Carl, we good. We're moving now.
Why did
No, we're good, bro. We're moving now here.
Why are you just holding it? Oh my god. Oh, you put me in there, bro.
No. We're good. Yo, hold on. Yo, pedal. Yo, Carl.
What happened?
I'm waiting for Carl. We gotta move. There you go.
Oh, that's it though, bro.
No, over there.
Oh, over there is crazy.
Yeah.
I'm on the very fucking end, bro.
Make
Oh,
sure it's
Papa
there.
Nico.
Is it playing? What? Look at it. Is it playing?
Yeah, it's good.
Let's go.
Oh yes.
Oh shit. Oh
Yo,
shit.
is that a rock?
A rock again.
Nah, bro.
I might get to split it. Ah.
Yo, you steer, bro. Steer.
No, it's alright.
No, fuck you, it's alright.
It's alright, bro.
We're turning, bro. Hang on, my music ain't playing. That's why.
What can I? No, we're good.
Turning.
We're good, bro. Ah! Alright, let's go. Alright.
Bro, like I'm already cooked, bro.
Bro, let's go. Come here.
Yo, right there.
Hold my boat.
Yo, oh my god.
Oh my days.
That ain't bad.
We Gucci.
Yo.
There you go. Ready na, hindi nakikita si Fred.
There's no fucking water, bro.
Oh, there he is.
Oh shit. So good. Yo, you look like you're pissing. I don't trust it.
Alright, it's actually tied now. Let's see. How about on the side? Bye na guys.
Yo, not.
Carl, let's go, Carl. Hold on. That's strong. That shit's strong.
Oh, shit, we're actually close to the road.
Carl. Give me a paddle. Oh shit, there's a. Carl. Oh shit.
Yo!
Oh shit. Oh! There we go. That's what we want. Yo! Oh my days! Oh my days! Fucking hell. No, we're good, we're good. Oh shit, there's a big rock! There's a big rock, bro! There's a big rock!
No!
Bruh.
Yo, better.
Oh shit.
Don't be still, bro. He wants you to flip.
Actually went. Woo! We actually got it. Fucking hell.
You got it this time.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Yo, there's a rock. There's a rock.
Yo, watch out. Yo. My bad. Ah! Sorry about that. Yo. Oh my days. Shit, there's a big rock over here. Yes, sir. Federico, let's go, Federico. Damn, that's actually good, man. We actually got it, Fred. Fucking
After 3 trials.
Okay lang kasi matibay din yung kayak natin eh, no? Sa mga bato-bato eh, no? Hindi na bubukas.
Yo, look at that. Imagine.
Bro, we're not going over there. Yeah, there you go. Bro, why you let go of him? Why you let him go? Yeah.
Hey, let's not fight your own battle, bro.
Look, why you let go of him? He's doing like... He's been doing that shit. Fucking This
Ay, siguro, no?
bisikleta, like gano'n.
Walang sasabit. No, that's scary, bro. Like, you have to rely on that shit. And then when you hit the rocks in the bottom, it's gonna touch you
So yeah, yun guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy yung kayakin namin. It's actually well recommended experience, you know. Magkano to, Fred? $60 for one person. Yeah. Depende daw kung magkakaya ka or yung kung nakikita niyo yung parang yung floaty ba yun? Parang yung bangka na ano na air balloon, something like that. But I would recommend this one kasi matibay. $60 lang and then for 11 kilometers, you know. Well recommended. And yeah, this is the final destination right here. What is this called? Shit. What is this called, bro? Yo. What is this called?
3 pillars.
3 pillars, guys. Yeah. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy, you know. Dito lang to sa Brantford, guys. Brantford, you know. Just search up Brantford kayaking, you know. Si Fred yung nag-recommend nito. I said like, just go get it, you know. Why not? And then yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And this is the 3 pillars as we speak. Yan. Ito na yung tatlong pillars. That's what they called it. And kung nakikita nyo, nandun na yung finish line natin, guys. So yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got it. Yo, Fred. Ha, say bye to the vlog. Yes, sir. See you next time. You already know. Let's go get it. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. What did I miss? So yun guys, tignan natin kung basa ba yung sapatos natin. Hindi. Yes sir. We Gucci.
Just watch your footing, it's kind of slippery.
Gotcha.
Take your
Sorry
time.
about that.
It's okay. And then just paddles here and jackets on the table.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Hey, Ethan, just wait.
Yun o. Lagyan na natin yung paddle natin dito guys. Yun o. You already know. Where is over there? Car is over there.
Kayak, right? Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Yo, my shit wet. Picture muna tayo dito.
Oh shit. I'm not gonna put my shoes first.
Bro, I'm not gonna put my shoes. Let's go take a picture here first. Fred. Your phone. Your phone. It's recording right now. Let's go, let's go. Point 5. 0.5 is nice. Yeah.
How do I hold this shit?
Yes, sir. Let me see. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Yes, sir.